Hi guys, my name is Israel. I'm so happy right now because I just got nominated for the most creative director year 2020. Yeah. So though the voting is still on, I will leave the link in this description. You guys can click on it and vote for me, please. Okay, so let's go. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I started making money with my content. From being broke to making money and being able to get some equipment and starting up my studio. Yeah, so you don't really have to be a celebrity, you don't have to be known, and you don't really have to have large followers before you start making money from your content. So this video is actually for you. If you're a beginner or you're an expert that you've been making money already, stick around. This video is for you, and this is my personal experience, this is my finance experience, so this is real and this is my true story. So I just hope this will help you and you'll be fine. So let's go. Few years ago, when I came to Lagos, Nigeria, I was actually looking for a job and I was passionate about filmmaking. So I just wanted to be an actor. I just wanted to act on screen. I want to be a celebrity. I want to be the known person. I want to have millions of followers. But the truth is, the reality started setting in after a year. I didn't become that celebrity. I was broke. I wasn't making money from acting. And I said to myself, okay, how can I make money? How can I get more gigs? So something struck my mind and I was like, okay, fine. I think if I give people value, they're going to pay me for it. So I begin to make research. Okay, what are the things that are scarce in the industry? What are the things that people are actually looking for? So I discovered that it is editing, like video editing. So I said to myself, I'm going to learn editing. So I learned editing, and to my surprise, after a couple of months, I started making money. Yeah, and how do I make money? I started editing for people. People started contacting me for jobs, and I started making cool cash even without getting known or being a celebrity. So, and another thing that video editing gave me was that I was able to know a lot about filmmaking itself. Yes, and that led me to being a director that I am today. So I started making money from editing videos for people. So I started offering value for people and producers started contacting me, and from there I made a lot of friends and a lot of connections. So after a while, I got tired of the small money. So I said to myself, I'm creating content for myself, so why don't I create content for people? So now the only challenge was that people don't really like content creators. Like, they don't like people to create content from them as a young person. So I said to myself, okay, what if I create content for kids? Now, kids don't have money to pay, but their parents can pay. Yeah, but they have the purchasing power. So, and every parent love their kid to be in limelight. So I approached some parents and I talked to them about my content creation, and due to my past profile, they gave me some gigs. So I started creating content for kids and I started making money every week. So the number 2 way to actually make money is by creating content for other people. So if you're a writer, that is a very good thing for you to do. Don't just write for yourself. If you're a director, don't just direct your own stuff. You can just offer people that, okay, let me direct for you and you can pay me some money. And if you're very good, of course, they will bring you on board. So you can actually approach people, think of what you can actually do that you know you are very good at, sell it out. So when you sell something out, you'll be paid for it. So after then, I started shooting commercials. Yes, that is where the real deal is. Yes, if you want to make big money in filmmaking or video making, you need to start shooting commercials. Yes, don't just shoot random content, shoot commercials, like approach companies. These guys are selling something, so they will pay you more for that little skill that you have. So if you're a director, if you're an editor, if you're a writer, if you are a cinematographer, this is a very big field for you to explore. Like, write to companies, send proposals that you can do stuff, but of course you must have a portfolio, but not really big anyway. At least shoot free product for people, then approach big company for big gigs. You understand? So these guys make money from everything you do for them, so they'll be willing to pay more for your job. So that is another cool way to make money from content creation. So you don't really have to have a lot of followers. Nah, you don't really have to have large subscribers on YouTube. No, you don't have to have a lot of friends. All you need to do is learn a craft, master the craft, and sell the craft to where you're supposed to sell it to. Yeah, don't just sell it among your friends, sell it to bigger companies and they'll pay you more. So another thing I did after a while was to create content for YouTube. Yes, that was another big change for me, because when I started making videos, I started creating content for Instagram, and that was one of the mistakes I made, because I was thinking I want to get fame from Instagram. I don't care about YouTube. YouTube is hard. Until I started YouTube, now I feel Instagram is even harder than YouTube. Yes, and that is power of focus. So if you want to make money in filmmaking, one of the best ways to create content for YouTube, create longer videos for YouTube. Then you cannot put a trailer or put a short part that people can enjoy on Instagram. Thank God for your IGTV. You can put your content there and people also enjoy it. So create content for YouTube. Now YouTube pays money. YouTube pay you in dollars. Like YouTube, you enjoy YouTube because as people are watching, when you get to some certain stage, they'll start paying you. So you don't really have to have millions of followers before you start making money, unlike Instagram, whereby you need some good large followers to make money, and the only money you make on Instagram is through adverts. But YouTube, you can make money through adverts, through YouTube itself, and through sponsorship. Yeah, so these are the ways to make money with your craft. So if you're an actor, start acting and posting on YouTube. Start doing content and posting on YouTube. If you're a director, gather some people, gather some good actors, get a good writer. You guys should make some content for a YouTube channel. Like, keep posting, and when it's time, you guys start making cool cash from it. And that is how I make money from YouTube. Yeah, there is no magic, there is no overnight success. It took me some years to get to this point, but if you start now, in the next 2 years or 3 years, you might be here or bigger. But if you don't start now, in the next 2 years, I don't know. Okay, so that is how I make money from my content. So what have I said so far? Number one way I started making money from my content is by learning video editing. I learned a craft that people need in my industry and sell it out to people. I became a commercial editor. Yeah, but not anymore anyway. So I became a commercial editor. I started editing videos for people and they started paying me for it. So if you're an actor, don't just be an actor. Please don't just be an actor. It is stressful. It is depressing for you to reach some certain level and you lose your relevance and you have nothing to do. You have no money in your account. But if you learn the craft behind the scene, you can still make cool cash even when you don't get featured again. So, and the second way is to create content for people. If you can do something, sell it out. Use it to help others, and in return, they'll pay you for it. The third way is to create content for YouTube. Make videos for YouTube. You can keep writing content for YouTube and visualize it. Yes, there are so many ways to make money online and offline with your craft. You don't need to be a celebrity. That is the truth. You can host a show. You can do anything that you know you can do best. Of course, there are competition, but there's competition anyway. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned one or two things, kindly click on the like button, click on the share button. Don't be selfish, please. So share with your friends that are in the field. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button so that you won't miss any of this video. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I shoot my commercials, how I get to clients, how I'm able to satisfy them, and how I'm able to get more clients. So stay tuned. This is your channel.